So my name is Gautam Mathur, and I'm the director for product business at BCG. Part of my role there involves taking the product business at BCG to the next level, thinking about how we can innovate our products, and also thinking about how we can monetize the products. We invited IPL to come to our premises and conduct a 2-day workshop for us for our complete team of 120 plus folks. And the idea was to start developing a product mindset, to start getting our folks to think not projects but products. What we were looking for when we were trying to evaluate various companies was a specialized group that only specialized in trying to bring a product perspective to everything, whether it is development, design, commercialization, operating model, business model, so on and so forth. We were very project focused. We lacked a fresh thinking and innovative thinking about why we are creating products in the first place. What is the business problem we're trying to solve by creating this product? Who are the users? Who are the target audiences? A lot of these aspects were covered in the 2-day workshop. And what I noticed with the folks is their whole body language changed, their whole perspective towards their work changed. So now we have a lot more curious folks in the team who are asking the right questions to our stakeholders internally. We are getting a lot more folks trying to understand what is the actual use case. Why does this particular product needs to be developed in the first place? And then we also have very specific product managers who are trying to ask more questions around innovative kind of commercialization models, innovative pricing models, different ways of how the product can be taken to its end customer. I think one was just the flexibility and the contextualization that we saw from IPL. We did not want a cookie cutter a workshop where we just had folks coming in and talking theory to us. We really worked with them very well in contextualizing the workshop for BCG. Secondly, it was being delivered by folks who actually were practitioners and not just theory. The language changed. There was certain language terminology that was kind of shared during the workshops, and how we started seeing some of that language change happening on the floor on a day-to-day, which really makes it worthwhile. There were certain frameworks that were shared. It is important for every person in the business, whether it is an analyst, whether it's an engineer, whether it is a salesperson. It's important for all roles within an organization to develop a product mindset, and I think that's where IPL can help.